Alright guys, this is TTNJAH's first time driving, so I'm gonna let him drive my car. This is first time driving, y'all. I'm a little nervous, y'all. Yeah. Go ahead. Alright guys, this is TTNJAH's first time driving, so I'm gonna let him drive my car. I'm gonna be letting my brother drive. This is his first time driving, y'all. This is his first time driving. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous, y'all. I'm just playing.
I'm gonna take it nice and easy.
He gonna take it nice and easy, he said. We at a park. We at a park right now. Y'all know this park. It's Claude Evans. I wanted to take him somewhere kind of safe, you know. It's his first time. So let's get it, let's go. You know what to do? The car is already running, so.
Take me step by step, man.
Alright, the car is running, so the car is in park right now. So what you need to do is you need to push the brake first. Because whenever you changing, whenever you changing the gears, you gotta press the brake and shit.
I feel it, yeah.
Yeah, so press the brake and then pull it down to D, because that's drive.
I push the button too?
Yeah. Buddies.
So now I just let go a little bit.
Yeah.
And then drive. Sorry. Alright.
Yeah.
Only, they said only use 1 foot, bro.
Yeah, use 1 foot. Yeah.
Push a little bit.
Touch it lightly.
Touch it lightly.
Touch the little pedal. Which
Turn. Yeah. Am I going to the left, to that straight, or keep going straight? Or?
Just keep going straight.
You sure?
Yeah.
Getting a little speedy.
He said, you don't gotta be nervous. Just put your like, I don't know how to explain it. Put your foot on the pedal like you got an eggshell in between your foot and the pedal. I don't know if I explained that correctly, but
I said, cause like I don't know, like, cause Shauna said don't keep 2 feet on there.
Yeah, don't keep 2 feet on there. Low key, go up a little bit. Go up to the stop sign if you can. All right, click that thing on the side for the turn signal. Yeah, click it up. Click it up, cause that's now turn.
All right.
Yeah. Go right. You got it. Get on this street. Don't be nervous.
Up on street.
Stop on the street, kind of like how they is. Push the brake. Push the brake. Alrighty.
Not too far up.
Nah, you good?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, that was my brother's first time driving the car. So now we finna vlog for the rest of the day. But yeah, you just gotta put your foot on the pedal, kind of lightly.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know how to explain it, bro. Driving is not TTNJAYROCK's forte.
I feel like I could drive home and not crash, but at the same time, I don't, because I'm not as experienced as I want to be. You know?
Right.
So yeah, I just gotta drive along a little more. Yeah, I'll be ready. No cap.
Alright, y'all. We finna vlog. Alright, y'all. I got my boys with me. I got Ray Dog, Dayton, and Buso. My boy TTNJAH. Finna go in, damn, it's a car right there. We finna go in Best Buy. I need a new tripod because the one I got sucks. I'm trying to get the one like my brother. But yeah, we finna go in here. Let's get it, let's go. Alright.
Some P5s, my baby.
Alright, y'all, we in Best Buy, so I'm finna go look for me a new tripod. You dig?
Where is they? It feels like this shit got small.
Where's the tripod section at? Right here. What? Good. Yeah, we looking at tripods.
If you have any questions, just let us know.
Alrighty.
That's the one you're looking for. Where you gonna
Hey, this one can wrap around. Hold on.
where you going? I wonder how this
That
price
shit is cool. Like if you want to do pranks and stuff, you can wrap it around like poles and stuff. That's fire.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, well, that one's going to be kind of hard for me to open the packaging. Some of the box packaging is a little bit easier.
True.
But a full 2-week return policy, so if you take something that don't work out, you're not stuck with it by any means.
All right. It's time for Raymond to start a YouTube channel, y'all. He looking at cameras. Y'all might as well tell him to cop one and start a YouTube. Start it. He said,
No, I'm really, bro. I'm about to actually start one though, bro.
You should get the one like me and Jah got.
But yeah, bro. Like, what's the difference between these two? Look.
I don't know. I honestly don't. I think I got the Mark II. Yeah, I got the Mark II. It's a Mark II and a Mark III. No, I think I got the. Yeah, I don't know which one I have. I think I got the Mark III.
Kind of feel good though, bro. Just put your hands in this bitch.
Facts.
I might have to call this bitch, bro.
Bet. Y'all, tell Raymond to start a YouTube channel. You know, I want all my brothers to be doing YouTube. You can no longer buy systems and consoles inside the store now. You have to do everything online, I guess.
These bitches are ass. Suck. Look at this bitch. This bitch look
So you like PlayStation 5s better?
Yes, wait.
Yeah. Ja, you need to cop some more controllers. You know.
If it was that price, I would have copped it right now. It's like 80, bro. Am I gonna stream, bro?
Yeah, that will be lit.
It'll be way better. Oh my god, yeah, this is what I need.
I always.
It's perfect for me when I start streaming. This is perfect. Oh, my stream is about to be lit, bro. I'm telling you.
I do need a computer. My videos would be way better if I had some kind of computer or laptop. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm going to swap it out together. You can absolutely do that.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
No problem. Thanks for coming in.
Man, we really gotta invest, bro. For real. Y'all, I want a MacBook so bad. Like my videos would be way better. I edit all my videos on my phone. If I had a laptop or a MacBook, bro, my videos would be way better for you guys. This one chrome at the bottom, bro. This one.
This is like the big bitch.
Facts, bro. If we cop that, how much they want for it?
You can turn them use it. Hey.
Focus.
But this is for the cheapest one. You can get that for 1700.
17 dreams right here. Dreams, bro. Our videos will go crazy. We trying to figure out if we was to get like a MacBook, what kind would we get? We don't know. Will we get the big one? Because if we did, we would get one to share, me and my brother. Leaving Best Buy right now. All right, y'all, we at Target. Still looking for a tripod. Let's get it. Blue Eyes White Dragon.
I never really tried it.
We some kids. Why is we in the Yu-Gi-Oh section?
Bro, like, we should get back into this shit again, bro.
You said we should get back into it?
Yeah, bro. And show them how, like, we used to do this shit, bro.
What's wrong with you, bro? You don't want to be in a vlog? You ain't trying to be in a vlog? You being hella quiet, bro.
I'm chilling, bro. Sorry, this for you, bro. This for you, my baby.
I do like my hero, I ain't gonna lie. They got Jiren, buff fast.
Oh, they fucked that nigga up. This for you right here, bro. Here's my baby. That's the Bucks for you right there, bro. That's your favorite anime.
My hero? It's up there. It's up there.
They got hella stickers in there, like different characters.
Kakashi. This is the one that I have right now. I didn't even know it was this much. It came with my camera though. But they don't really have much here. I'm looking. They got a phone. All right, y'all, we leaving because Target is kind of racist. A bunch of black men can't walk in the group. Bro, being asked a bunch of questions, so we're just gonna leave. We didn't find any tripods. They didn't have much. I showed you guys what they had. But I think we're finna leave right now and go to the park or something, get some challenges in. See how that is good. All right, y'all, we made it to the park. We made it to Quiet Evans Park. We gonna shoot around, play basketball for a little bit. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Love you guys until the next video. You dig?